My people, you don't set. Hey, you don't boss, so it don't happen again. No be small matter, make una carry on a jokote sit down. Come listen to this one. Only my ear no if you hear this one. Finish. My people, I know say most of una don't already know this man of God. You don't boss out again, no. He say may they arrest Akwa Okuku. Say Akwa Okuku on too much. Say why they use priest they play. Say Akwa Okuku they must arrest Akwa Okuku. My people not be small matter. As I cross this one, I come make like it to. I say this year, vow, let the saga continue. No be small thing, no, my people. May not come be say, I too talk for inside this video. I go live on a jejeje. Mona for watch this video, and I dey here with una.
4 reasons why the government will not arrest these hoodlums, these native doctors, Akwa, Alusiego, and all of them. 1 is that Igbo people are hated. The Nigerian government, I'm speaking it in English for them to hear, both the law enforcement agents, both the EFCC, both those who are, fighting financial crimes. They see all the abuse that is going on. They don't want, because they want you to use your hand to destroy yourself. That is number 1. Number 2, you cannot poison yourself and expect your enemies to come and rescue you. We are destroying our land by ourselves, by clapping for these charlatans. Don't judge me or accuse me of judging others. The destruction they are doing and are proud of it is so great that if you have mouth, rise up and take your garment of witnessing and witness to the truth. That's the reason why you don't expect the government to come is that some of them are directly benefiting from the evil. And I think the 4th reason. The 4th reason is this. If you do not sweep your house, you expect those who don't love you, who are at loggerhead with you, who are seeing you as a threat, to come and sweep your house for you. Ndị Ugwu, ndị ofe mmanụ, ndị Yoruba, ndị Hausa, all these people who are as threats. They see our natural grace of prosperity as a threat. So anything they can do to weaken, both with the police and the wealth, police and the economics, police and the civil service, police and the army, and civil defense, na air force, na the navy is to make sure na suffocate right. So mgbe ha hụzi n'ụlọ ji akụ na destroy your ọmụrụ, ha gbọrọ nkịtị na na-ezuzugharị. Debe anyị nzuzu akarigo. Look at it, nzuzu a na-enwero how to describe. Nzuzu a na-enwere etu esi describe. And mgbe hụrụ the level of ignorance and weakness of mind and everything in our youth, I just weep for this generation. Kekos are also the city. Come on, they get with every what you do. Tika share here, kwaka share, and it begin to give you money. You are demented. You are demented. And that weakness of mind is the reason why many of our youth continue to die, and the death is the futuristic one is greater than the one that is already happening. And the prophets are required to prophesy in the name of God, and they represent the truth. I rest my case.
My people, sure, I don't watch the video. Hey. No be small something. You see me, they put Akwa Okuku for clickily, me he kaba. Say, no, they agree. Say, the thing when they do, say, don't too much. Say, me, they arrest them. Say, what the people still they do, all those koti, I don't know what they call them. Say, what they still they do. Say, this is the time for them to arrest Akwa Okuku. My people, not be small something, no. As I cross this one, I was chocked to lie. So now I say, I can't drop this one for year as my limb be amebo. Hey, madam amebo. Not be small something. Now yeah, now one for live on. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao, everyone. I love you guys.